Let us perform an activity to demonstrate the importance of roots in the life of a plant. Take two plants A and B. Cut off the roots of plant B. Plant both the plants A and B in the soil and water them every day. After a few days, plant A appears as healthy as it was on the first day, whereas plant B appears wilted. This proves that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport them to the other parts of the plant. Now try pulling the two plants out from the soil. Plant A is firmly attached to the soil because of its roots, so it is difficult to pull it out. However, plant B, that has no roots, comes out easily. This shows the roots anchor plants firmly in the soil.